Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan documents to your laptop. First, understand the different scanning methods available, from dedicated scanners to mobile apps. Next, learn how to properly prepare your documents for optimal results. Then, discover the straightforward steps to connect your scanner and initiate the scanning process. Finally, explore effective options for saving and organizing your newly digitized files for easy access and retrieval. There are several ways to scan your documents. You can use a dedicated flatbed or document scanner for the highest quality, or a multifunction printer. For quick scans on the go, mobile scanning apps are a great option. Before you begin, ensure your documents are clean, flat, and free of any staples or paper clips to prevent jams and ensure clear images. To start, connect your scanner to your laptop using a USB cable or Wi-Fi. Install any necessary drivers and software. Open the scanning application and select your desired settings, perhaps 150 or 300 dots per inch for resolution, and choose a file type. Place your document on the scanner bed or in the automatic document feeder, then simply click the Scan button to begin. Once scanned, choose a suitable file format like PDF for documents or JPEG for images. Give your file a clear, descriptive name, perhaps including the date, for easy searching later. Create dedicated folders on your laptop to keep everything organized. For added security and accessibility, consider backing up your important scan documents to a cloud storage service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.